What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. If you're a complete beginner, then this video will be very useful for you. In this video, I will be sharing more about WarriorPlus and how to earn money using WarriorPlus the right way. You cannot just post raw links to any platform and expect to sell products from WarriorPlus by doing this. It doesn't work. So let me show you what you should do. This video, I will give you an insight of what WarriorPlus is all about using a simple 3-step process to promote products from WarriorPlus. Beginners, stick around if you want to use WarriorPlus correctly and make money with this marketplace. I will go in depth into each step and explain how to make this work for you. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide content videos, tutorials and reviews to benefit you. Working smarter, not harder, is my motto. Give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, not to miss out when my next video is released. If you want to be notified, ring the bell. As you know me by now, I'm honest in my reviews and I want you to understand how to find and promote quality products from WarriorPlus. Let's get into WarriorPlus main page, and this is what you will see when you sign in to WarriorPlus. This is a very popular website for make money online niche. These products you need to take with a pinch of salt, as they are mostly shiny and sounds great to buy, but will not get you anywhere. To be fair, I did find some nice products on WarriorPlus network that I do promote as quality products. If you're new to WarriorPlus, you will need to register and set up your merchant's account to be able to get paid. This is free, so you will set up your WarriorPlus wallet with your threshold, and then you can request payment once you make money with promoting products on WarriorPlus. Once that's done, you will go to Marketplace and check out the products that are available for promoting. If you just want to buy a product, you can do it, or you can go into the affiliate link and promote the product you feel comfortable with. Easy to get started, the 3-step process. You will create your free account, then we will search for offers or products, and lastly, you will build your business. I already have an account. Once it's done, you will go to Marketplace and check out the products. If you want to buy a product, you can do it, or you can go into the affiliate and promote the product you feel comfortable with. If you click on your name, you will see favorites, purchase history, your wallet, which you have to open. I still have $27 lying there in WarriorPlus from the previous promotions, which I didn't subtract yet. Then you can also go into your account, and lastly, this is where you also will log out. Now we go to home. You will find that this great thing about these websites like WarriorPlus, they're very easy to navigate and easy to follow. So as a beginner, you should not have too much trouble going through the website. Here is the products that you can promote, and here is the deal of the day. So every day there's a specific product that's the deal of the day. Here you can also see the different dates and the deal of every day. So if we go into the product, you can see why they call it the deal of the day and what it's all about. You can also change to top 25 products if you want to search for more products. It makes it easier, and you can just go through the products. So we can also go into categories. So if you want to search looking at different categories, you can also do that. Here you will find market education and industry software But I found that most of the products on WarriorPlus is in the make money online niche. I don't really use categories to search for products. I go through the products, and when I find something that I think would be good, I'm opening that. Vendors, as a beginner, you will not need to go into vendors. We will go into the affiliates, and this is where we need to be. So before you do anything else, here is the dashboard. Once you sell any products or you get commission, you will see the information on this page that will show you what was your sales for the last 7 days, for 30 days. Now here we in the products, and once you ask to sell a product, this is very important to understand the different tabs. Going through the tabs and showing you what they mean. Remember, vendors not always allow beginners to market their product, and this will influence the visitor value, as you do not understand how this works, and they want to focus on more experienced affiliates. This is the release date, how many sales they had, conversion rate, visitors value, and this is important for the vendor. That's why they don't allow beginners to promote their products, as you don't know what you're doing, and this will influence the earnings per click or the visitors value. They want to focus on more experienced affiliates to promote their products. And lastly, you have the refund rate and the pulse rate. You can request your link, and some of the products give you the link immediately, and some vendors first have to approve you. Now that we went through, this next step is to research the product you want to sell. So we have to go into the sales page of a product and see what the product is all about. I will open secret email systems. So here we can see the product, what it's all about, and here is my link. I requested a link to sell this product, and it took 2 days for the vendor to give me permission. Let's look at the vendor himself. So you click on the vendor's name, and here you can see that Matt has got 2 products, and the star rating for these 2 products is 4. So it's not a bad product to promote, but you have to do more research than just looking at this. Overall, he has 12,000 followers, and he has 50,000 sales, and his star rating is 4 with these 2 products. You can also read more about Matt if you want to know more about the vendor. Once you go into the product, you can also look at the overview. It's about the product, the funnels, the upsells and downsells that's available on the product that you are thinking of selling. And then here you get more information about the different products and the pricing, and as well the commission that you will earn on this. You have 2 recurring incomes from the yearly mastermind, from the yearly secret email mastermind, and also from the monthly secret email mastermind. Here you can see Brendan Mace. They sell a lot of products. Every month or every week there's something that they sell. You can see the star rating is low, so I do not trust these products. I don't even know if most of them are working. The only thing they care about is making their income, and usually you don't get your money back when you ask for your money back, or there's no support system. Here is my stats from some of the products that I sold before, and I still have $27.57 lying around. If we look at the launch calendar, December is a very, very busy month. Everybody is launching their product with Christmas in mind and giving some freebies away just to get their product sold. So if you want to make money, this is the time to do it the right way, and you will earn a little bit of income. Get back to secret email systems. So we will view the sales page. This, I think, is a good product that on WarriorPlus. The sales page is not overboard and glitchy. It's straightforward sales page. The vendor give you the email swipes. You can change them to fit your style. You can go into the funnel. You can see the upsells, the information you need to evaluate the product. And here you can see more of the sales page and the bonuses and what's included in the order. So here you will get a feel for the product, and if you feel comfortable in selling this. So here you have content, and now you will connect this to your traffic source. It can be any traffic source that you have. Email marketing, banner ads, you can search for something, Bing, wherever you use or what platform you use will help you to get traffic to your content. Before you send your traffic to the product order sheet, you will collect their email address through the opt-in page. So through the opt-in page, you will collect the emails, and then you will send them emails in future if you have anything that you want to promote. After you collect this emails, now you will send them to the product order page on WarriorPlus. And here they will go directly to the order page, and they can see the sales page, all the information about the product, and if they would like the product or not. Once they buy the product, you will make commission. I hope you find this useful. And just to summarize what I've just told you, that we don't take links and just plonk them anywhere on websites, on the platforms, and hope people will buy. We have to plan, and this is why I'm using my Funnelytics to show you that from any platform you can go to the opt-in page, and then you can collect the email, and they will go to the product order page where they will buy. If they don't buy on the first visit or the first opt-in, you can always remind them by sending them an email or a second or third email, and then you can make commissions when they buy. Remember, people don't buy from websites or WarriorPlus or anything. They buy because they trust you. So build trust with your audience. Make sure you sell quality products, and they will love buying your products which you suggest to them. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you understand what I'm trying to tell you. So if you like this, click on the links below where I have more information about how to sell affiliate products. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide content videos, tutorials, and reviews to help you grow your online business. On becoming successful with your online business, check out the link below. I'm following a proven strategy that's working for me, and I would support you in setting up your online business. If you find this information helpful, give me a thumbs up, consider to subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell not to miss any of my forthcoming videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time on the other side of the screen.